So if you're using the Brands to ASINs Finder Google Sheet, you might have encountered the situation where you click Get ASINs and it's just starting and finishing the script right away. It's not continuing to find ASINs beyond the row that you are on. The reason for this is because there's a maximum number of products that it is set for. However, you can easily change this, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You just go to Extensions, and then you go to Apps Script, and this is where the actual script is behind the scenes. And if you look at line number 15, you'll see max num brands equals and then a number. So this is the maximum number of brands that it will do. And so you need to change that maximum number of brands, because it will take that number and add it to wherever it starts, and then it will only allow 1,000 more. So you have to change the number. For instance, you could make this 5,000 brands or whatever you need it to be. And in this case, I'm using the Rake It In brands list, which is a fairly long list of brands that ends up on row 3,165. So that should be 3,162 brands if we don't count the first three top rows. So that's a lot of brands. So of course you need to have enough, this number to be high enough to cover that. And you can always come here and change this number. If you need, also I want to say, if you need to expand this system, you can always add more rows at the bottom. And then what you will want to do is also the approval required part and the allowed to sell. You'll have to copy these down as well. So you would have to take these, because these are actual formulas on the sheet, and you'll have to copy them down. If you have once you add more brands, you might even just be able to double click this and it will just fill all the way down. Once you actually fill in these with more brands, you'll just be able to double click and fill down the formulas. Or as I just did, you could also click and drag down this way. And the Get ASINs will automatically keep moving down. Once you increase this number, it'll keep allowing to go down further and further. So that is basically it. That is the process that you need to do to get this to do more brands and to continue working. And that is all I wanted to share with you for this video. And if you don't already have a list of the Rake It In brands, make sure you do get a list of those brands, and make sure you get a copy of the system as well. And also use the restriction checker and all of that, which is in a video that I did previously. I'm Mr. Mark. Comments, questions, suggestions, leave them below or contact me. Look forward to seeing you around on the channel.